Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Okay, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed last video. First of all, let me say happy Valentine's, my loves. If you don't have a love out there, you don't have a boo to darte amor, then you guys know I love you guys so much. I appreciate every one of you. You guys are amazing. So happy Valentine's Day to my single ladies. Anywho, so if you do have a man, okay, so in today's video, it might be for some girls that have a date tonight. It's going to be a little simple Valentine's makeup look. Not too much, not too, you know, excited, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, you guys, if you want to know what kind of makeup look I'm going to do today, continue on watching. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I still have like a little powder because I'm baking right now. I did actually already did foundation and everything that's needed to be done. I just need to add like bronzer, lipstick, blush, and highlights. I decided to do that first because this is based mostly on the eye look. Some of you might like it, some of you would want to wear it tonight, so why not? Tonight, what am I gonna do? I don't know. Supposedly my boo's gonna cook for me. I know, right? Okay, so anyways, I'm really excited about that. So wow, I'm really liking my eyebrows today. They really did cooperate today. Okay, so on the last video I did a creative Valentine's look, and today I will be doing a really simple, nice little Valentine's look for y'all, like a to go out Valentine's look. And I will be going back in with the 39S Such a Gem from Morphe, because why? Because tengo los colores de San Valentin. So okay, okay, boom. All right, so let's see. If you guys don't have this palette, that's fine. Go ahead and grab a palette that has like a purple shades, pink shades, and you know, go along, you know what I'm saying? Or do it your way, the way you like to do it and stuff. But like I said, today I'm not gonna go too dramatic today because we don't want that. Okay, so first things first. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and use transition color. I was gonna say translucent. Okay, so this is the color we're gonna go in for. With the color is gonna be like the base to this look. So let me go ahead and grab a fluffy. That didn't work this time, so let me go ahead and grab a fluffy brush. We're just gonna blend that out, honey. You guys, my nails are such a mess. Like, oh my god. Like, I say like, okay, I'm gonna step up to my game and then have my nails done like every 2 weeks and stuff until I think it's time to get a new set or whatever. But no, soy like bien traviesa, and I don't ever keep up with my shit. Excuse me, I don't keep up with my shit, and it's aggravating because, you know, I do makeup. My videos at least have to look decent when I am filming, but they never are. Like, I hate my nails so much because my nails are like really weak. Like, the nails are not, like, the nail is not strong like how it used to be, because I always got acrylic nails, and that was no bueno for my nails, for my natural nails. So I had stopped doing acrylic nails. I think the last time I got acrylic nails was for the day of my birthday. That was the last time. No, wait, yeah, it was. The acrylic nails, ooh, wrong color. The acrylic nails was the last time I ever, well, the day of my birthday was the last time I ever had done acrylic nails. So I ended up doing shellac, and I could say that shellac has helped my nails grow a lot. But like at the same time, like the color will come off so quick. Like I couldn't even wash like los trastes because the color will come off so quick. And so yeah, so like I only had gotten shellac done like twice, but my sister has been getting like dipped, what is it called, like dipped. So the next color I went into is the this shade right here. Is like a little dark purple kind of shade, and we're just gonna place this on the outer V and the inner corner of the eye. But you know, I gotta go ahead, I gotta hurry up to be with my man or whatever. You guys, if you are not subscribed to me and my man's channel, do it. You know, we have a lot of fun, you know, do a lot of different stuff that I don't do here. Like in this channel, like I'm mostly gonna be staying in this room the most, not going out and stuff. But obviously but I kind of like honestly at the same time want to switch up my channel just a little bit, you know, vlog around. I don't know why, it's just like I want to go ahead and like do something different instead of like staying in the beauty room for like for like almost an hour trying to do this makeup when I could be like out there, you know, like, oh look, hey, let's go hang out, you know what I'm saying? I want to go ahead and introduce you to my life instead of like being in the same room and not being with my man, like what I do daily with my life and stuff. Which daily I do is I go work and come back and film and then wait until boyfriend gets home and film with him and then edit. That's practically what I do every day. But sometimes we do go out, but honestly, like not all the time. Well, not like how we used to, because we got so into live PD, and you know, that's our stuff, that's our shit now. So we be watching like live PD, like when is new come out? I think Friday and Saturday. And then and also they have like this show called America's Top Dog, and oh, that's my shit. I love it. It's so cute to me. It comes out every Wednesday and stuff, so yeah. All right, so color, so you guys, before I even tell you what color I'm gonna do, if you think I should like film more out of my, you know, makeup room, just let me know, and you know, I'll switch it up a little bit, you know, just let me know in the comments or whatever. So okay, so okay, all right, so next color is gonna be this shade right here, and then this one aquí, and we're gonna place this in the middle where we didn't place that purple shade, and we're just gonna blend that in there until we get to that right color we want. So we're gonna blend it all the way to the top. You guys, I feel like I haven't done any eyeliner, which I'm not gonna do it today. I don't know, it's just I've noticed that eyeliner isn't my thing no more. I just like a nice little eyeshadow and lashes and call it a day. I remember like I couldn't live without any eyeliner. I'll be like, nah man, if I'm gonna do eyeshadow, I have to have eyeliner. Okay you guys, so I am back. Lashes are on. What you think? Okay, So for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Lisa Frank XOXO, and as I show you guys, I need a brand new one, or I need a completely a new bronzer. I actually had one and it was like Morphe's bronzer, but like when I moved, it broke, and the mirror like had it had a mirror inside, and they had glass everywhere around the bronzer. Obviously I wasn't going to use that, so I just like threw it away, which kind of upset me because that was my favorite bronzer. Now for highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Tarteist Pro Glow. Whoa, slow it down, honey. You got blush, so I'm gonna go in with the Kate London blush. And we're gonna go ahead and blush my face up. Oh. Also, blush is one of the makeups like I barely use, so. Alright, so now we're gonna go into highlight, and like I said, we're gonna go in with the Tarteist Pro Glow. Okay, let me stop. Damn, that was like one little swipe, you guys. One little swipe. Oh shoot, girl. Yes, hunty. Look at that, you can see it. Like it's right there. Like I'm gonna blast some bitches today. Okay. Alright, so for lipstick. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Morphe True Story. This is like a little brown one, but then add gloss to the top. Okay, I'm done. Gloss. Gonna go in with some Morphe gloss, and this is in the color Frost. Damn, girl. All right, let me stop. Okay, so for setting spray, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh wow, girl. Oh damn, your face gonna be like. He's gonna be like, damn, ma. No, not just playing, my boy. My man is not like that. No me chiclas. Okay, you guys. So this is the final look. You know, since a lot of people do like a lot of pink and red on Valentine's Day, I decided to go purple. You know, purple, you can't go. Oh my god, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to add some to the under eye. So I forgot to add some purple to the other eye, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure nobody noticed until I said something. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you guys, like I said, if you want me to move around and not being stuck in this room forever, you know, y'all want to follow me wherever I do on my day off, you know, just let me know. Just let me know on the comments below, and I will do that. I kind of like, I was talking to myself that I kind of wanted to switch up my little channel a little bit to show you what my everyday life is and stuff. So you guys, if you are interested in that, you know, just drop some comments down below. You know, I'm always up to something new and stuff. So anyways, you guys, I hope you're having an amazing Valentine. So use protection. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye.